Today I'm going to do a blowout using the wide iron straightener. So I haven't done it on my hair before. It's grown a little bit longer now, so let's give it a go and see how it looks. First, I will section my hair with a clip. I'll pop some heat protectant spray, brush through. I've got it set to 150 degrees. Just glide it, put it on a slight bend. And then in that, what I'll do is roll it into my fingers. Now, I haven't done this on my length hair, so I'm quite excited. Grabbing a decent chunk and just curling that under. And then rolling it up. Some setting clips. You should be able to get 2 or 4 either side. Rolling that. Bending the straightener just slightly. And once you've gotten up to the roots, use your pin. Perfect. That's not really pinned very well, but that's fine. Let them all cool down. This one's falling out, but that's okay. Trial and error. We'll unpin. And that is my blowout using the Cloud9 wide iron.